welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Karnataka Formation Day. Karnataka Formation Day, also known as Rajyotsava Day, is celebrated on 1st November every year. This day marks the birth of the Karnataka state, which was formed on 1st November 1956 by merging Kannada-speaking regions from adjacent states. Historically, after India gained independence, South India was governed by multiple entities including the state of Mysuru, the Nizams of Hyderabad, the Madras Presidency, and the Bombay Presidency. However, for the purpose of better administration and linguistic cohesion, states were reorganized based on the language spoken by the majority in each region. As a result, in 1956, Kannada-speaking regions were united to form the Mysuru state. Later, on 1st November 1973, the name Mysuru was changed to Karnataka. Every year, this day is celebrated with great enthusiasm throughout the state. The government of Karnataka recognizes and rewards individuals who have made significant contributions to the Kannada culture and to the state's development with the Rajyotsava Award. The celebrations are marked by an array of cultural programs and events showcasing Karnataka's rich cultural heritage, traditions, and art forms. On this day, the state is draped in its flag colors, yellow and red. The anthem of Karnataka, Jaya Bharata Jananiya Tanujate, is sung with pride and fervor, reflecting the spirit and unity of the people.